Okay, I have the vinyl, heavy duty vinyl here, just folded 2 layers. Stitches are nice. Front and back. I can fold it again and make it 4 layers. This machine really needs a cabinet. You want to take it slower on thickness like this. And stitch quality is the same. Here's a piece of upholstery. It's very heavy, dense. It's the underside. It's pretty stiff, and I'll do 4 layers of that. And it goes right through it very easily. Oh, and its reverse is fine. This is a corner of a leather coat that just cut off. Here's lining and the inside of a leather coat. Leather, as you can see. And then here's the back side of it. So it's 2 layers of apparel weight leather with interfacing. So, again, this is not a leather needle, but it does go through it just fine. This is fleece, pretty thick, as you can see. So let's do, well, I'll do 2 layers. See how that does. And the stitches are kind of buried because this is plush. I can't really see them. But it had no trouble going through that. And then I'll do it 4 layers, and that's pretty thick. 4 layers of this fleece. There's 2, and then we'll double it again, and then goes under the foot okay. So see if that needle will penetrate. I think the needle's having a hard time penetrating that much, but it gets going. Like I said, if you get this machine, you would want to get a cabinet for it. It's 14.5 inches for the bed. It went through it. It went, and that is thick. That's pretty thick. Here's some wool type apparel fabric. 4 layers of that. I'm sure we'll go through that fine. No problem. Nice and tight. Here's another upholstery grade fabric. And it does real well with upholstery grade fabrics.